this DIY, I'm going to be using one of these Dollar Tree napkin holders. Okay, up next I have these jot pens. I think it's 12 to a pack, so just open these up. I also have some masking tape. I have my Gorilla Glue. So what I want to do is just go ahead and take these pens apart. Just like that. So I'll go off camera, take the rest of the pens apart, and then come back. Okay, so I took all the pens apart. Now what I'm going to do is take the bottoms and glue them together. And I'll need to do that 5 times. So I'm going to lay one pen this way. Now put some glue on the bottom of this one. And then put them together. And then wrap them up tightly in the masking tape. Press down and then roll it tight like that. Alright, so what we're going to do is keep 3 just like this. And these 2, we are going to cut the little tapered ends off. You will need 10 of these small ones. And we're going to cut the tops off of these as well. So when I come back, I'll have 10 of these. But I'll go ahead and cut these on camera. So I'm going to take my hot knife and just hold this over the tape. I kind of like to use the edge of this. And cut that right over that little line. Right where it tapers off. Now come on this side and do the same thing. Again, we'll have 2 like this. And we have 10 regular pens. We're going to cut the tapered side off as well. So we have 2 like this, 3 like this, 10 of these in total. Okay guys, so I took all the tape off my pen. So the next thing I want to do is put some bling right in the center. Okay, so this is 6 rows and I want it to go all the way around the center. And cut off the excess. This is the same thing. The only difference with this one is I went ahead and cut the tip off this one as well, on the top and the bottom. So it's a little bit shorter. And you're going to need 10 of these. And again, just cut the tip off. Next up I have 3 rows of the same bling. And I'm going to put it on the top and the bottom. Alright, so this is what it looks like once you put one at the top and the bottom. Okay, so we need 3 in all like this. 3 of these. And then you will need 2 of these with the tips cut off. See the difference in the height? Okay, and you'll have 10 of these. Okay, so I still need to do 1 more of these. So I'm going to do that and then come back and move on to the next step. Okay, so let's get started. I have some of my Gorilla Glue, and as you can see, it's clear. You want clear glue for this project, okay? Next up, I have some of the Dollar Tree acrylic gems, diamond shaped, of course. I have my hot glue gun, and I have a couple of pieces of tape here just in case. And of course, I have my trusty old napkin holder. Okay, so let's get started. This is going to be so easy. Now, find your back. So what I'm going to do now is glue this right in the center. And I want this to be in the center of these 2 rails. I'm going to use my glue, my strong glue. Now I'm going to turn this way, right in the center. And just eyeball it. You want to make sure that it's straight. Okay, so now I'll take another set just like the first one. And I'm going to eyeball it just about here, I believe. Now open your gems. So what I want to do now is just take some hot glue and drip it right here on each side Now I'll carefully put my stone right on top of the glue. Make sure that it's flat. Now I'll do the same thing down on this side. Now the hot glue is going to hold this in place. So now I'll take the one that we cut on each end and glue it here. If I have to, then I'll just use some tape to kind of help hold this up here. Okay, you want your stones to line up even. Now you're going to take one of your small pins and put it here. Again, you want your stones to line up. Finally, we put one right here. Now I'll go off camera and do the same thing on this side and then come back. Okay guys, so this is what it looks like. So now we want to take some more of our acrylic gems, and I'm going to glue one here and here. Just like that. Now is a good time to announce my first gift card winner. Her name is Dawn Alessandrini. Congrats to you, Dawn. Make sure you leave me a comment below. Now flip it over and do the same thing on this side. Okay, so next up I have this sign that I picked up at Dollar Tree. And I don't want it for the sign, of course. I want it for the structure. I've already started taking the staples out. I just want to remove the covering. So just go ahead and move that. And be careful of the staples. Here's the skew in case you need it. Okay guys, next up I have some sawtooth hooks. And here's what it looks like. So I'm going to take my sawtooth hook, put it right in the center. This pack comes with nails, but I like to use screws. I have these screws left over from a sign from my previous DIY. And guys, if you haven't checked out my previous DIY, do so now. I think you will absolutely love it. Okay, so now I'll take this frame outside and spray paint it silver. Okay guys, on the back. Okay, here's the back end. Here's the sides. Okay. Now I'll glue 3 mirrors on top of the frame. And here I have 3 of the Dollar Tree mirrors. Now these are the old Dollar Tree mirrors with the bevel edges. And I told y'all I have a stock of Dollar Tree stuff for real. And I've been having these forever. So I'm going to glue 3 on here. But before I do that, I want to remove the feet and the label. There's no sense showing you guys the skew because they don't carry these bevel mirrors anymore. But if you want the ones with the bevel edge, I think you can find them at Michael's. And I'm sure you can find them on Amazon. If I find them on Amazon, I'll link them in the description below. I try and link everything in the description that I use. So now I'm going to take some more of my Gorilla Glue, and I'm going to glue my first mirror in the center. So you can look at it this way and get an idea from the back. And now just add the other 2 on. Let this sit for a while. Okay, next I have some popsicle sticks that I cut. I just measured across the front here and cut, and then on the back I cut it with the scissors, and then I spray painted it silver. So these are the pieces that I have. So I'm going to put some glue here. All of this will make sense later. Okay, so I'm going to let this dry for a little bit and then come back. I went ahead off camera and added some mirror towel right underneath there. Again, it's going to be this way. So now I want to take 2 more pieces and glue them across here just like that. Alright, so this is what I have on the top now. So once the glue sets up for a while, I'll go ahead and add some mirror towel underneath both of these pieces as well. Okay guys, so I'm ready to add this piece to my mirrors. Now this is what it looks like underneath with the mirror towels on those 4 pieces of popsicle sticks. So now I want to put some glue right in here, then I glue it right in the center of this piece.
And my second gift card winner is Sharon Cromedy. Sharon, congrats to you as well, and leave me a comment below.
Okay, just like so. I'll go ahead and put some masking tape right here. Okay, so this is what we have. So now I'll allow this to completely dry, and then we'll come back and add the finishing touches. Okay guys, I'm back, and this has set up for about 3 hours. I decided I wanted to add more of the acrylic diamonds to it. So I'm going to have a total of 4 here and here. I'm going to add 1 more here and here, and then more here. So let's go. Come around here and do the same thing. Okay, so that's what we have now. A whole lot better. I really like that. Okay guys, so this is what we are going to use to light up our wall sconce. And I purchased this from Dollar Tree. So I'm going to remove this because we won't need it. Go ahead and pull the tab. Yeah, just go ahead and take the ticket because this comes off. So here I have some more of my bling, and I'm going to wrap this around the base. And next I'm going to take some mirror towel and put it around the top. So this is what we have so far. Just dressing it up. Okay, so I have this cute little round chandelier pendant, and I want to glue it right on the base. So I'm just going to remove the jump ring. And I'm just going to put it right on the inside. And now I'll center this. So now I'll let that dry, and then I need to decorate the sides.
So as you can see, I decided to go with the diamond bling. So all you do is measure, cut, and then press it in place. And I'll put it on the other side and the bottom as well. There's no need to put it on the top. So now I'll go off camera, add the remaining bling, and then come back, put it on the wall, and let you see what it looks like on display. And as promised, here's my beautiful wall sconce hanging on the wall, and this is before I added the solar light. And now to add the solar light, you simply slide it through the popsicle sticks and it'll stay firmly in place. And as you can see, it makes a beautiful addition to the wall sconce. And of course I had to turn the lights off so you can see the beautiful lighting that comes from the solar light. Now when I purchased this solar light, I had no idea that it changed colors. And as you can see, the color lights takes it to a whole new level. I want to take this time to thank everyone who participated in my giveaway. and I'll be hosting at least 2 giveaways a month, so please stay tuned. Okay everyone, this concludes my video. I hope you enjoyed it, and if you did, please leave me a comment. If you could, leave a comment with my name in the comment, and you'll be considered for my next giveaway. Also, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe if you haven't already. Okay everyone, I'll see you in the next one. Thanks so much for watching.